Here are definite reasons you should buy my listing at 291 PowerPoint Road on Lake Sinclair. And the last one will surprise you. It is specific to buying lakefront property. A very, very peaceful co-setting. It has a huge, entertaining covered porch that wraps around the house. When this home went for sale, a neighbor who lives very close by bought it. She cared very much about the renovation, and she cared about the quality of the renovation. And I just want to show you some of those special features, and I want to show you why this home is special among others that you see on Lake Sinclair. Starting with that. This house offers larger than normal bedroom sizes. So the room I'm standing in is the second room on the main floor. It is the guest suite, and it is almost 17 by 14 square feet. Here I am in the primary bedroom suite on the main floor, and like all primary bedrooms in a lake house, they should have views. I know you're gonna think I'm crazy, but I am standing in my favorite room in this house. This is the primary ensuite bath. And I love this room because you can really see the quality and the detail that the seller put into this. The honey bronze fixtures and the color of the cabinetry is one of my favorites, just a bronze color. And this home has a historic element. This beadboard behind me is 100 years old, and it's imperfect, but the seller wanted to leave it just how it is because you can see the history. The colors in this kitchen are wonderful, starting with the jewel-toned cabinetry. Check out these pendants over the island. They are wood and even have a rope detail. And the cabinetry, talk about custom. You've got the Lazy Susans. You don't find that a lot. And pay special attention to the veining in the stone used for the countertops. It's like a light brown, and it matches the wood accents in this kitchen. There are 4 rooms in this house, and I'm upstairs in one of the 2 bedrooms. And this room is almost 16 by 18 square feet. Again, larger than normal. The seller has 2 twin beds, but you could easily do a game room or any other sort of guest suite. And it has a door to the outside. Upstairs is a full bathroom between 2 bedrooms, so it's set up like a Jack and Jill. And in the bathroom, instead of a curtain rod, is a beautiful glass door. Hands down, this location has the best water clarity throughout the entire year, rain or shine. Check it out.